Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the paint and protecting yourself. Test a small patch to see if the paint flakes or peels. This tells you whether to use heat or a stripper. Put on gloves, goggles, and an N95 respirator and lay a drop cloth. If you use a heat gun, hold it for 6 inches away at 300-400 degrees and move steadily. If you choose a chemical stripper, apply a thin, even layer and wait the manufacturer's dwell time so the paint softens. Once the paint softens, start removing it with a plastic scraper to avoid gouges. Switch to a 2-3-inch metal scraper only for stubborn spots. If residue remains, apply a second thin coat of stripper and wait. Then clean with mineral spirits or warm soapy water to neutralize chemicals. After drying, sand progressively from 120 grit to 220 grit to feather edges and smooth the surface. Make sure to vacuum between steps and wipe with a tack cloth before any primer. You finish by priming any exposed substrate with an appropriate bonding primer, allowing full cure time so top coat adheres. Fill dents or gouges with spackling, sand smooth, and clean dust before painting. If spots resist removal, don't force them. Reapply stripper, increase dwell time, or use an oscillating tool with a scraper blade at low speed. Make sure to protect surrounding surfaces. If you see staining, use a stain-blocking primer to prevent bleed-through before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.